Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at and reviewing the very versatile Maxpedition Rollypoly Folding Tote, which is right here. And this tote retails for £34.95 in the UK. And I came across it just looking at the Maxpedition website, and initially on the US website, and then I came and looked at it on the UK website and thought that it was certainly worth having a closer look at. So this is touted as a versatile, spacious tote, and it can carry anything from, I guess, tactical gear to laundry to groceries. And I believe that the body of the bag's constructed from just one sheet of fabric, and it has strength and durability, and when it's not in use it folds down quickly into this size that you see here. So it has a spacious main compartment with dual zippers, and this is a 22-inch large zipper opening. So what we'll do is we'll just unfold it, which is really simple. You've got this Velcro strap here, and then you just unroll it. And there's your main bag, and as you can see it folds out pretty wide actually. It's I believe its length is about 10 inches, its width is 25 inches, and the height is 14 inches. And the folded size, it's an inch in length, 9 inches in width, and 5 inches in height. The main zipper opening, which is up here, is 22 inches long, which is pretty impressive. And these are YKK high strength zippers, so they're gonna last a good long time. Now inside the bag you have this kind of just storage pocket here. It's got no Velcro or fastenings of any description, so it's probably just for putting small items in and keeping them away from the main cavern of the bag, because otherwise all you have here is just one gigantic space. Now the material is apparently 500 denier water and abrasion resistant lightweight nylon fabric, and it certainly feels that way. It certainly feels like it's going to be really water resistant. And apparently there's triple polyurethane coated for water resistance as well, and it's quite strong. YKK zipper pulls with paracord ties as well. So this is really just a very simple bag. It's got a cavernous mouth, so to speak, which gives you a lot of space. A tiny little pocket here, a couple of straps, obviously, as you'd expect to carry a tote. There is no other carrying strap for the bag. It really is just designed as a tote, but you can see where this would be incredibly useful for just like kind of running errands, shopping, traveling even, you know, something very simple and understated for traveling, although at the moment of course we're restricted from traveling. But when we get there and we get through the pandemic and we're able to travel again, then this might be something that you can utilize as a very simple bag, very strong bag. I think with Maxpedition you could be absolutely positively certain that these bags are made to last, and that they're really strong, and that they'll put up with a lot. So when you're just kind of folding it back down again, very simple, it just kind of folds back into this little tiny pack, and you've got this Velcro strap which holds it together. And I mean, that can go in another bag or a suitcase, or just kind of carry it around in your backpack in case you need any extra bags and space. And you've got some Velcro so you can attach some things there as well. So that's the very simple Maxpedition versatile Rollypoly Folding Tote. Really like this. Look forward to the day that when I travel I can actually get out there and use it, but in the meantime you might be able to use it for shopping and various bits and pieces like that. Pop it in the car maybe. Yeah, thanks for watching.